In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram Reels. Adding music can make your Reels more engaging, and the process is quick and easy. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus icon. From the options, select Reel to create a new reel. Now you can either choose a video from your gallery or record a new one using the camera. If you want to add music before recording, tap on the music note icon, then browse or search for a song from Instagram's music library. Select the song and choose the part of the track you want to use, then start recording your reel. You can also add music after recording or uploading a video. Just tap Next, then tap the music icon on the editing screen. Search for a song, select it, and adjust the part of the audio you want to include.
If available, you can also choose to display lyrics on your reel.
Once you're happy, tap Done to apply the music. Keep in mind, if some songs are not available, it may be due to your account type. Business accounts often have limited access to certain tracks. And that's it. Your music is now added, and your reel is ready to be shared. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.